Well, I have a 2006 Gen 2 Dodge Durango, and these things notoriously rust out by the gas tank, and I'm going to do a little bit of rust cover up. I know it's not the proper way. The proper way is to cut out the rust and clean all that up, but we're at 165,000 miles, and I just want to make it look a little bit better, stretch it out a little bit longer. I don't want to get into all the expense of cutting it out and doing a proper way. So I'm just doing an experiment to see if this works. So what I've done is I've found some aluminum roof flashing that I have extra in the shed, and I've created a patch, and we're going to see if that will work. So I've cut out my patch, and I just used some magnets to mock it up, and I'm going to mix up some Harbor Freight version of JB Weld and see if I can stick it on there. This is the JB Weld I'm going to try to use. So I mixed up the epoxy, and I've spread it all over the back of my aluminum flashing, and I'm using magnets and some clamps to hold it on. It says it takes about 90 minutes to cure. So we're going to see if this will stick and hold, and if it does, then I'll put some Bondo over the top of it and paint her up and call it good. Well, so far it's been 2 hours of curing, and the patch is holding strong. I decided to do an experiment and not go with body filler over the top of my patch, and I just sprayed Plasti Dip. And if you stand back from a distance, it's not terrible, but if you get close, you can tell. Because I didn't fix all the rust or anything around the wheel well, but I just got tired of looking at the brown rust. So that's my shortcut.